Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'll be talking about how to draw a realistic bird. So that will be the topic of today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more of this kind of video. And then I think let's begin the video to see what you're here for. And these are the normal tools you can get anywhere if you are trying to get something like this. So these are regular tools. So now let's begin the video. Now the first thing to do is to prepare the first layer of the drawing. So now I'm going to prepare the first layer with the use of graphite powder. I'm sure you all know what I mean by graphite powder, and I've made a lot of videos on how you can get graphite powder and how you can make them at home with just simple homemade materials. So there is a video on that, you can check that out when you're done with this. So how to draw realistic birds. Firstly, this is the layer. First of all, I'm going with the layer, first layer, on where the rest of the shading, blending, drawing or any stroke is going to sit down. So now this is the first layer, and the following step is to begin with the hair strands. I'm going to go in with the use of, let me say, with the use of 10B pencil grade. Is it here? With use of 10B pencil grade. This is my 10B pencil grade. Can you see it? Yeah, 10B pencil grade. Now go. So here, just make sure you are doing all these strokes to full all the necessary parts, like all the needed area, like some kind of hair strand pattern, something like this. I don't know if you can see it here. Something like this. So just make sure you use this kind of pattern to full the whole drawing. Now that I'm able to cover up all the dark areas, all the darks, the most darkest part of the drawing, and right now my pencil lead is blunt, I have to resharpen it again to make sure I'll be able to do all the tiny parts, like all the tiny hair strands. So I have to resharpen my pencil. So now I am able to make it sharp a little bit here. So it's time to begin the sensitive part of the drawing, which are the outline parts. This process is very simple, and you have to be very consistent with it, and make sure every holes, like every space is being blocked. So you have to make sure all the space, like there is no empty space in it. You just have to fill it up with hair strands. Yeah, you just have to fill everything up. So that is how it is. No rushing. You don't have to rush anything here. You just have to make sure you are doing it perfectly. Everything you're going to be doing here should be perfect, and do it the way it's meant to. And make sure you are looking up to your drawing reference every time. Like, keep looking at your reference. Do it according to it being done, like according to it is your drawing reference. That's the only way you can get right texture and the right amount and the realistic part of it. You have to keep your eyes glued to the reference you are using on the drawing, for the drawing, I mean. So that's how it is. Just focus more on the reference. Pick every single bit of detail that is being shown on the drawing, like on the reference you are using, and add it to it. That is what brings about a realistic drawing. When you pick every single detail, like every smallest, every tiniest detail on your drawing reference, that is when your drawing really became a realistic drawing. Every single detail that you think doesn't matter, pick it up, and yeah, you are doing fine on your own, man. So I am here picking them up right now, picking them up without trying to lose anything. Yeah, every tiniest detail of it. So just pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. That's it. I'm not sure from the camera if it's looking real now, but I think it's kind of getting there, like getting closer to it. But I can't see from the camera aspect. For me looking at it here, I'm getting to the point a little bit, like gradually I'm getting there. So now in the reference I'm using, there's this kind of line. Oh, is it showing? Oh yeah, I think you can be able to see it a little bit. There is this off cut of line, like off cut of how should I put it? Tiny ears, like tiny ears. You can see the tiny ears are like dots. So you have to replicate them when you're drawing as dots. So very simple. So now begin the drawing. Begin dots. Just follow the place with dots. Follow the place with dots. So let your reference dictate, like your reference should be the one dictating, not your brain. Yeah, though your brain has to be working as well. I'm not saying your brain should be out of the game. Your brain should be working with the with your reference, but make sure you are looking at your reference every time you're doing it, man. That's the only way you can get it right. Like, just pick everything, and make sure when you're making all these tiny dots, make sure they are being close, like very close to each other. Yeah, get as close to each other. Get as close, in as much as possible you can. No, not even in as much, like very close. You have to try your best to make sure it's very close. So that's how to get it done. And when you're doing it, make sure you are looking at your reference. As I keep saying, keep repeating every time, your reference is your guide, unless or you're going to get lost. If you don't follow your tour guide, you're going to get lost. Maybe you're going to find yourself inside one bush. At the end of the day, you regret, like, yo, why did I do this? Like, this thing is not looking like what the reason I came here for. Like, I'm not getting why I came to this tourist. Yeah, because you didn't follow the guide. That is why you're lost. And if you didn't find yourself, like try to find yourself earlier, you'll be forever lost, and you'll be able to get the main points of you going on a tour and being out on a tour. So follow the reference, follow your guide for you not to be lost. So that's how it is. I'm still trying my best to fill every single space on your drawing. As you can see, I'm filling it up, like seriously filling it up. Yeah. Fill them up, fill them up, fill them up, fill them up. Fill that shit up, man. Yeah, fill it up. Fill it up, fill it up. Yes, sir. And make sure you are very patient. Like, be patient. Don't rush. Before you begin a drawing, when you're having an agenda or you're having anything, I schedule ahead of you, I will advise you to go for the schedule first. Like, get it out of your mind. Just get it done first. Like, for example, this morning when I'm about to begin this drawing, I want to make a laundry today. Then I want to make a drawing, but I'm even planning to make the drawing first before doing the laundry. But this drawing is on my mind so much that I have to do it. I have to do it. I have to do it. So if I am to do the drawing first before the laundry, I'll be rushing, and then I'll be able to get what I'm trying to get, or to pass the right tutorial, the right knowledge I'm about to pass to you guys. I won't be able to, because I'll be rushing to get it done quick and go and do the laundry. But I put the laundry aside first. No, yeah, I didn't put it aside. I did it first. I did the laundry first. Then when I'm done, yeah, you can have my full time now. I'm all yours, baby. So let's go through it. So here I am, making it all the way it's meant to be done. Yeah. So now I'm done making all the, like, I'm done covering all the spaces. The remaining thing for me to do are the external edge joints, like the one at the outer layers, to make sure they are very sharp. So that is the remaining part of the drawing. Like, you have to do them to make your drawing look more mature and more detailed. So these are the external part of the drawing. Yeah, my reference happens to be one kind eerie type, so I have to do it according to the way it looks. make sure you fill the external part out. As you can see, the external part is one of the solid foundation of the realistic drawing when it comes to drawing air. Yeah. So this will be the end of this part. So remain the next progress. You have to make your beard to be shiny, like to make it look healthy. So that's the next part, to make your beard look shiny and healthy. Yeah, this looks real now. So to do that, there is one magical tool you have to use. Like, is it drum roll? Yeah, drum roll. Yeah. So this is the magical tools. Yeah, the magical tool you have to use is what? The Tipex. So Tipex is the magical tool you have to use to get your drawing to be shiny and to have this kind of, yeah, to get your beards. It's like, let me say oil, like a beard oil. So that's what this represents, to make your beard to be shiny. So that's what I'm going to use this for. So now let me get down to the business. Yeah, so look, like you have to be dabbing it on it a little, like small, like just not much, just a little small dabbing. So that's it, small dabbing. I'm sure you looking at this video right now, you'll be able to see it's looking realistic. Yes, but me sitting down here, I can tell that it's looking, but you guys will be able to see it very well that it's looking much more realistic. Yeah, that is all. Yeah, you just have to make sure you're keeping it close. Yes, you can still get something far better than this. Like, you can still get something better than this if you practice more. Yeah, you can get something better than this. So yes, here we are. This is what I'm talking about. I'm very sure this is realistic enough, and you can, like I said every time, when you see my drawing, you can do it better than this if you put it into work and put it into a very serious task. Put up to it, you are going to be able to get it done better than me. Yeah, you just have to be very consistent in your learning, very consistent about improving. Everything you want to do, just make sure you are being consistent with this, and don't do it once and leave it there. So you are going to face a lot of challenges while making pencil drawing. Just make sure that you are being able to conquer them and get it done. So I'm very sure this will be of a huge help to your drawing. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more of this kind of drawing tutorial on how to draw realistic drawing and drawing hacks and tips. So make sure you subscribe to my channel to get them. So thank you for watching. Bye.